gosh. Unboxing. You can unbox this one.
You already unboxed it.
They don't know that. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, look what you got, guys.
You're not even showing it.
$40.
You have to put it together.
Ooh.
Whoa. Oh, I got a mirror. Ooh, there's a charger.
Side eye.
Wait. Let me see.
Wait, why?
That is like the
laptop
charger.
No. They're not.
They're sponsored by Apple.
Ooh.
Okay, she handy-mandy.
Stop.
Whatever.
Stop. I can't find it. How do I do this?
Oh, you bought it.
Oh my gosh.
She spent $40.
I can't figure it out. I think it's like this. Never mind, I don't know.
Like come with instructions.
No. How would this come with instructions?
Oh, I'm done.
Whoa! No, I figured it out. Sorry.
You did?
Yeah, I did. You're not very nice.
Done.
Okay, wait. Yours is like that, so...
Okay, here, we'll take it apart and see who can build it faster.
I got it.
No, it's not.
Stop it! Well, I also have to put it back.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I'm not leaving the mirror out.
It's your new rear view.
No. Oh, wait, Loki. Did you just...
That's so cool.
Okay, can you...
Show the camera.
You're gonna kill the batteries!
Show the camera.
Oh my gosh, they can't even see the lighting. Oh, they can.
Ooh.
Love, can you... Oh my gosh. Is it off?
No.
Oh! No, I have to disconnect it.
Oh, yeah.
How'd you do that?
I just like that.
You
literally just put it in.
Oh, no, you twisted it.
No, I didn't.
How are you gonna take it out? Okay, can you take the other part out too, please? I'm so confused. Wait. I can't get it. Wait, you're so mean. Ouch.
That's gonna be funny looking back at it.
I don't get it.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't get it?
So weird. Can you... Oh. Do you show them? She's gonna go next to Tuxedo Sam. No, she's gonna fly off. She gonna fall. Real. Oh, I put it in the wrong one. It broke. Can you fix it?
You're broke. Yeah,
Wait, shoot. I don't know how I put this. Wait, it doesn't fit in the box. Oh my god! Like,
this would be such a fun toy for Jagger.
which one? The battery?
No.
Oh, what?
What?
No!
It's like, you like throw the stick.
Throw the stick. No!
Fetch, Jagger.
No. Jagger's not fetching anything but food. And fat.
How does he fetch fat?
You're right. Wait.
Yeah,
I'm trying to figure out how to close this, and you're like...
Oh, you're turning it? Wow.
I'm not